Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today we have another LG TV tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to lock apps on your LG Smart TV. So first let's hit the settings button on our remote. This will be in the shape of a cog, or it'll have settings printed on the button. Then when this menu comes up, let's come all the way down to the bottom to all settings. Now within all settings, let's come down to safety. Then within safety, we need to turn on the safety feature here in the top corner. Now you need to enter a password, then press OK. So this password is what will be on your LG TV, so you need to remember it. Now you want to come down to application locks, then find the application you want to lock. So let's lock this MUTV. Then it'll say lock changes for current running apps will be applied in the next time they are started. Select OK. Then we can come back. Then we press the LG home button on our remote. And when we come to the apps, you can see MUTV is locked and you need to enter the app with a password. So that's how to lock apps on your LG Smart TV. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.